Well, hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. The good news is quiet weather ahead of us here for the next couple of days. Also good news, we're going to start to see a warming trend. A couple of bad news things. It's still cold this morning, and we do have more snow to look forward to as we get towards the second half of the weekend. So we're going to cover all that here over the next couple of minutes. Again, as I said, it's cold this morning. Most of us still have single-digit temperatures with single-digit below zero wind chills this morning. So you're still going to want to bundle up, but a nice little warming trend is on the way for the day today as we see mostly clear skies, lots of sunshine expected, a little bit of a southwesterly breeze, especially in eastern portions of Nebraska. Tonight, quiet conditions with clear skies. We'll see those temperatures fall back into the teens for overnight lows. That's pretty close to our average for this time of the year. And then as we get into tomorrow, much warmer conditions yet with mainly sunny skies. So we're looking pretty good for our Thursday. That will continue right into Friday as well with even warmer conditions expected. And the highs today will be a little closer to our average highs, mid to upper 30s, even around 40 there in Ainsworth. Plenty of sunshine. The warmest temps out west in the upper 30s, lower 40s, maybe even the mid 40s there in Imperial. Not too much wind today out west. To the south, we're looking at temperatures topping out mostly in the mid 30s, maybe upper 30s there around Phillipsburg, Kansas. And then finally towards the east, this is the area with the strongest winds today of 10 to 20 miles per hour. High temperatures in the lower 30s, not as warm, but still way better than what we dealt with the last couple of days. How about the next 7 days? Again, we're going to be looking at first the next 3 here with a nice little warming trend between now and Friday. We'll be talking about temperatures way above average already tomorrow, close to 50. And then maybe, I don't know if it'd be records or not. I didn't look into the records, but it's going to be quite nice on Friday, well into the 50s. I think we could make a run for 60. So we're going to melt off a lot of snow and ice as we get into the end of the week here. The weekend, Saturday's still okay. Behind a cold front will be cooler, but still in the 40s with partly to mostly sunny skies. But the messier conditions look to come in for late Saturday night, more so during the day, Sunday and Sunday night. The timing of the system is pushed back just a little bit. So I was saying kind of midnight to midnight the last couple of days. Now it may be more of a 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. kind of thing. 3 a.m. Sunday morning to 6 a.m. Monday morning kind of an issue, although again timing still could change a little bit with this system. It's looking fairly likely that the system's going to push through and bring us some snowfall. There's likely going to be some wind with it. The big question marks right now, the intensity of the snowfall and where the strongest band or the heaviest band of snow could potentially set up. That's still kind of the big question mark. So I can't really get into totals yet with this system. But again, with snow falling, even if it's just an inch like what we saw last week, if there's a wind with it, that still can cause problems out there. That said, we could see some areas with some higher totals. Just not going to get into those numbers quite yet. So plan on what could be a messy Sunday and maybe even early on Monday as well. This should clear out pretty early on Monday. We'll be left with partly to mostly sunny skies Monday and into Tuesday with temperatures staying in the 30s. So the good news is there's not a lot of bitterly cold air behind the system. The other thing I will mention about Sunday is there is the potential for maybe a mix of rain at times, especially as you get farther to the southeast where it'll be a little warmer. Temperatures won't be overly cold with this system. But again, we are looking at the potential for what could be a messy setup. But again, that's still a question mark and left to be answered as we get a better idea of how much snow we could be talking later on this week. But again, with snow and wind in the forecast, again, there could be some issues to talk about as we get towards Sunday here, especially here. We'll get that ironed out as we get a little bit closer to the end. I think by Friday, we'll have a few more answers for you, and certainly more answers by the upcoming weekend ahead of us here. So there you go. Nice weather here the next couple of days. Enjoy it. But bundle up early this morning. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.